Most trading strategies fail because they can't tell the difference between a real trend and a temporary fakeout. This one is different. In the next 90 seconds, you will learn how to build the momentum catcher system. It's designed to confirm the trend, wait for a pullback, and enter only when momentum returns. Let's build it. First, the trend. Go to Indicators and add Trend Finding by EMA. Open its settings. Change the inputs to 18 and 23. This is our main trend guide. Next, the momentum catcher. Go back to Indicators and add the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, to your chart. Then do it again so you have two separate RSI indicators on your screen. Now we're going to give them some very specific settings. For the first RSI, open its settings. In the Inputs tab, set the RSI length to 5. In the Style tab, change the RSI line color to red and make it a bit thicker. Then uncheck everything else. We only want that red RSI line. Perfect. Now for the second RSI, open its settings. In Inputs, set the RSI length to 21. In Style, change the line color to blue, make it thicker, and you can uncheck the RSI's moving average. Okay, here comes the magic part. We need to stack these two RSIs into one window. Find the red RSI, click the More button, the three dots, then Move To, and select Existing Pane above. This will merge them together, but there's one final crucial step. Click More on that same red RSI again and select Pin to Scale A. This locks them together so they use the exact same scale. And there it is. Our Momentum Catcher RSI is ready. Okay, let's analyze this chart. The rules are simple. Do not break them. For a buy signal, 1. The trend EMA must show a buy signal. 2. The yellow RSI must be above 50. 3. Enter when the red RSI crosses back above the yellow RSI. We enter the long, stop loss at the previous low, and target hit. This strategy helps you stay patient and trade with momentum on your side. Backtest it yourself. If you found this valuable, like this video and subscribe for more. Remember, all trading involves risk. This content is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Trade responsibly.